John and Alita Majeski. Come on. And Zimmerman. Now from bridesmaids and our ushers, let's give a nice hand for Jessie Majeski, escorted with JJ Majeski. And for Kelly Yarashko and Andy Ma. Give a nice round of applause for Jessica Weisendanger, escorted by Spencer Myers. Leon Gagliano. What's Mike's name? Ladies and gentlemen, would you all please rise to your feet right now? Are you ready for our bride and groom? Are you ready? Make some noise. Here they are, Mr. and Mrs. Thomas and Virginia Zimmerman. Our bridal party is like take a couple steps back, then on one side, and on the other side, please. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, they're going to dance their first song as husband and wife. A song by Selah called Bless the Broken Road. Once again, let's give a nice hand for Mr. and Mrs. Zimmerman as they dance their first dance as husband and wife. Give a nice hand for our bridal party. Friends, family, please join our bride and groom in the bridal party on the dance floor. Ladies and gentlemen, you're all invited. This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice in it. Let's give a nice hand for Mr. and Mrs. Top for our blessing and grace. The pastor, Mark Kincaid, let's give him a nice hand.
Anyone but you, I swear, we've been through everything, and I